right? It is about managing performance and getting it right in organizations. And I think we tamed the elephant well. Lots of learnings for leaders. Lots of interesting practices that people have implemented in their companies.
And it's been quite a revelation in understanding how strategic performance marketing operates across various levels and industries in India. Also with a little bit of flavor how to be adaptable to the foreign cultures and managing diversity.
Keep going, and this is definitely going to help the CXO community.
Some amazing provocative discussions, and especially questioning and asking what is the role of HR, what is the role of business, who owns what, who are the conscience keepers of business, and then the questioning or the discussions went into culture and purpose and various other things. Overall, I think it was a wonderful morning and a great time of network.
Wonderful experience and a lot of avenues that we explore. How the HRs are undergoing the problems, what challenges are they facing, and how the strategy can be used to just address all those things. It was a fantastic experience.
Every time the meetings are very, very valuable. The kind of discussions happen, the kind of people come in, or industry updates. So a lot of good takeaways are always there.
The kind of takeaways I have, which has been very valuable, largely because we get industry perspectives across all the CHROs who are here today, along with the business leaders. That made a difference in terms of how they perceive the future in the era of digitalization that we are going through and in the era of AI.
Brought back the whole essence of who manages performance management so much, and whether it is a business activity or an HR-led activity. And I think we all understand that it is very imperative for the business to drive performance management, and that the business leaders need to own that as much as it just being
That was fantastic. I think she set the tone very well by throwing across a lot of good questions and in a way instigating so that the teams do really bring out their best.
It was fabulous to be here at this CXO conference this morning and mirror the kind of people, the views, the kind of caliber, the kind of capability and the experience and depth of people was so nice to hear different perspectives.
It was a great information for us to know about how the people management to be done, how the performance management to be done.
Insightful because we got to see a lot more diversity, not just the CHRO but also the management, marketing, sales, different, the other fraternity from different industries. It was a lot of good information that was shared. Thank you so much for the opportunity.